Some netball now, although losing their recent away series to England, senior Sunshine girls Janelle Fowler and Shamira Sterling are cautiously optimistic about Jamaica's chances of winning gold at next year's Commonwealth Games in Birmingham. The Sunshine girls lost 2-1 to the England Roses to suffer their first series defeat to their opponent since 2013. But even with their recent inconsistent performances against England, Fowler, the Sunshine girls' captain, believes with the right resources they can strike gold at Birmingham 2022.
High expectations rather, because we have what it takes to win this coming Commonwealth Games, but we just have to ensure that the work is put in both from the players' end and the management's end, and that we're able to get enough resources to help us to prepare, because I do not think that we would be ready enough to prepare against the top three teams if we are not fully equipped with the necessary resources.
And although England are defending Commonwealth Games champions, Vice-Captain Sterling says the Sunshine girls can get the better of their opponents on any given day, but she cautions that in order to fight or to find the right formula in Birmingham 2022, a lot will depend on the preparation put in place by Netball Jamaica.
I think yes, we can definitely defeat the English team, but there's a lot of work that needs to be done behind the scenes, and I just leave it up to Netball Jamaica to try and figure it out and get the team ready for Commonwealth Games as it relates to team structure, team discipline, fitness, and all of that stuff. I'll just leave that part up to Netball Jamaica for them to sort it out.
The Sunshine girls won bronze at the 2018 Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, Australia. Jamaica has never won gold in a netball at the Commonwealth Games. The 2022 Games will be held from July 28 to August 8 in Birmingham, England.